Hey guys, Joe here again, and like I said in one of the last videos, I show you the new toy I just purchased. Behind me right there, that is my new Kubota BX23S. Pretty much an over-glorified garden tractor. But it's got a little backhoe. Can play in my adult sandbox now. So yeah, bought a new little toy. Little diesel Kubota tractor. Got a few things to do around the property here at the house. As you can see, I started digging a little bit with the backhoe there. I want to get that hill dug out. I got some trees I want to pull out and some different projects, cut some trails into the woods. So I figured that guy would come in handy. And who wouldn't want a backhoe? So yeah, new little guy. I think I have 5.7 hours on it. But just do a quick little look-see at it. I'll do a little more in-depth review on this guy after I use it a little bit. I actually don't have a clue what I'm doing when it comes to like tractor type stuff. All I know is it's got a bucket to move dirt up front and a bucket to dig dirt in the back. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna get some I got a couple attachments coming for it to do some more things. Got a little 3-point hitch in the back. I got a thumb for the backhoe so I can start ripping some stuff out. And a tooth bar for the front, so we'll show you that when I get that. But tonight, I'm going to show you how easy it is to pull the backhoe and loader off of this guy, because I got to go mow the yard way down there. So we'll do that. So there, that's the second time I've done this. We just got some little levers to pull. And now we're good to go. A couple connectors. Alright. Now we'll flip around and pull the loader off. Ready to go mow some grass. Alright, so there is that guy. Time to blow her off. Get the grass clippings out of there. Then we'll toss those guys back on. Park her next to the 914. And we're good to go. I would show you that, putting those back on, but if you're really curious, you can just watch that in reverse when I took them off. But yeah, so here is the new little toy that we will be playing with every once in a while. digging some stuff up. I'll probably dig a hole, then just fill it back in, because why not? So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.